Hi, Owetu. Thanks so much for handing in your question. Let's just have a look at this question that they've actually given us here. Now, you're asking, why is it that the answer is not 3 to the power 7? For a couple of reasons. First reason would be that we don't have the same bases. So in order for us to add exponents, so let's say, for instance, I had 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 4, I can definitely add the exponents for this, and that would definitely give me 3 to the power 7 because 3 and 3 here are exactly the same. So I can do that. But in the case of x and y over here, it's the same thing as having 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 4 to the power 3. Now, in this case, I can't actually do that because my base is here. I've got a 3 here and I have a 4 here. And according to your sum that we've got, my x is different from my y. Therefore, I cannot add the exponents. And that's where we're going to come at this from in this particular sum. So we're going to substitute, and I'm going to show you exactly what the answer is going to be. And then you'll see why the answer is actually 0. All right, so we know that wherever we see an x, we're going to replace it with 3, and wherever we see a y, we're going to replace it with 0. So now I've got here 3 to the power 3. X to the power 3 is going to be equal to 3 to the power 3 multiplied by, y is going to be replaced by 0, 0 to the power 4. And we can simplify this if we'd like. 3 to the power 3 is the same thing as 27 multiplied by 0 to the power 4. That's just like 0 multiplied by itself 4 times. So that's just going to give us 0. And we know that any number multiplied by 0, in this case, 27 multiplied by 0, that's just going to give us 0. And that's why we're getting the answer we're seeing in the sum that you've got. Okay, I hope this was explanatory and this helped you understand the question a little more. The only way we can actually add exponents is if we have the same base. So we need the same base. And that's what's important in this particular sum. Okay, and x and y are not the same base, which is why we can't actually add them to each other. All right, I hope that was helpful. Try a couple more just to get a little used to it. And yeah, good luck.